Hello everyone and welcome back. Just going to do a little update on my Cobra 2000 here. Turns out the problem with the digital counter being out with the channels, as you recall in my last video on this radio, channel 2 was actually channel 1. It was receiving a bit low. Basically, I guess just by a stroke of luck, I decided to clean up the bottom side of the board, as was suggested, and I touched up a bunch of solder points. Now, they didn't look to be bad. The board is a bit dirty, of course, because of its age, but I touched about 40, maybe 50 points that I thought may need to be reflowed, and lo and behold, right now we have channel 1, and the radio is on 26965.0. Now the radio is not warmed up, so it may need some further tuning, I guess, when it comes to that. Right now, that's okay, but my TX is off. As you can see, it's when I TX. Just going to do it shortly here. When I'm doing TX right now, it's 26969.2. So I need to find the pot for that, the trim pot, and bring that to normal. I'm going to just do a lower sideband is low, so obviously there's a sideband issue here yet, but it's within the ballpark. Just some trimming needs to be done, some control adjustments, and here is upper sideband. It's within the ballpark, 5 kcs, but AM was pretty well right on. Now the TX on lower sideband is not bad, it's close, and the TX on upper sideband even closer. Anyway, that's a quick update on the Cobra 2000 GTL. I'm going to take my time now and see if I can get it aligned halfway decent, and once that's done, I think I'm going to try to recap the radio and replace some major parts in the radio, such as finals and drivers and audio amp and these things. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.